All right, what's up, YouTube? Today in today's video, we putting my long two headers on. So far, we got the cats on over there, and we think we just got the first nigga. I think we just got the first header bolt out, and we started at, I say what, 8 o'clock? Around 8 o'clock, and it's like maybe like 11, 12 o'clock right now. So we're making decent progress. I say we be done by like 3, 4 o'clock. We both sides. Hell no, not 6. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when we got a little more done. Just right now, it's gonna be a small short video. So yeah, boom. Okay, y'all. Here's the headers right here. Not the headers, but the cats. We got the O2s out. All that. We might not be putting this whole exhaust on because this part right here, this is a 3-inch exhaust, and this part, I don't think that's gonna go on there. I think it's a little too small. Might have to get it welded. There's that. Got the car on the ramps. Got the heat shield off. We just got the working on one side right now. I don't know if you can see under there, but
no, you don't get that. You want to run off and don't care. Don't push it.
we got some of it all out. I don't know if you can see in there. I will get under there, but you know what? I'm gonna get under there just for y'all. Okay, we have, here's the stock headers right there. Stock headers. Stock headers. Got that lubricated up so we can get it out of there. It was on the first bolt up there. So yeah, this ain't a how-to video, just showing y'all a little update on it. Getting that installed. I should be posting this video after I post the other video. So give y'all some flybys. This looks alarming. I'm not surprised because my transmission is acting up. But so far, everything else is really good under here. Other than the suspension, I need to get new suspension done. But yeah, I'll let y'all know and I'll get back to y'all later. All right, y'all. We ran into a motherfucking problem, as always. Damn, why you bring me the goddamn schlong?
You wanted it.
2 of the header bolts on the passenger side have broke off into the header, and it wasn't because of any of us. I went to take off the shield, and the motherfucker just kept turning, and it was already fucking broke. So, what I'm gonna do, take it off, see what's gonna happen. If I can't get it on there, I'll just have to have a mechanic finish it tomorrow and drive it with open one long header and one short header. So, but at least I know that I can hook my exhaust up without welding it or anything. I can just put it all together. So we're just gonna do that, and I'll let y'all know. I'll give y'all the startup and everything when everything's finished, but not right now because that pissed me off. Without further ado, I'll see y'all tomorrow. What's up, y'all? I'm back at it, and I told y'all I was gonna do this for the longest time, but I just haven't had the time to do it. But now, over out, boy. We already got one side in, as you can see right here, showing right here in the angle. We got one. We got the one side in, and we got the other side off. We just need the other side to put the other side in, and we'll be good. And I got to show y'all a couple things I did to the car that I haven't, posted. But first, we got the oil catch can. from Evil Energy. No sponsor or nothing. Just got that. Then, come to the back. You got the carbon fiber diffuser. We finally got that on there. That's on there. And then the exhaust is going to get put on there in a minute. But also took my old cluster out and I put the new one in, and I got the Taser and the Diablo tuner on the way. So we are going to be in there like swimwear. I'm so excited. I'm going to be with long tubes. It's going to be a long tube, 3-inch straight pipe all the way back, bro. And trust me, I've already revved it, and it's loud as fuck. So I'll get back to y'all when the car got both headers on, and I don't know if I have the exhaust on, but if I get both the headers on, and mind you, it's windy as fuck out here and it's cold. If I decide to get the exhaust on there, I'll let y'all hear it. But for right now, I'll get back to y'all, and I say it may be a day or two. I don't know when I'm gonna drop the video, so yeah. All right, y'all, I'm back. It took fucking forever, but it's still the same day. We buttoning it up. I still gotta bolt up the alternator, but we got everything else plugged up so we can start it, except for the battery. So I'm gonna finish plugging this shit up right here, just for it. Don't judge my ghetto ass intake. I'm gonna get a new one. I farted. But here we go. Damn, you stink. Alright. Come to the back with me. And we're finna put the battery back on. Bro. Damn. The fuck? Where's that little one at? Damn. Listen up, dude, man. They got the 10 on it? Yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, y'all. And there might be a little exhaust leak because there's some shit I didn't bolt up, but it's alright, it's alright. I'm gonna pay somebody to finish it, but this is basically finished. So, we got the keys. Alright, we got the top. Alright, ready? hear that exhaust look pretty bad on this side because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I ain't had the right tools to do this shit, but I still did it, so I'm gonna pay my buddy to come finish it. You can smell it burning a little bit.
Yeah.
You might have to take them off and redo it, but you can smell it burning. But I gotta put this bad boy back in its spot. Alright. I guess that's, I mean, I gave y'all a start, but it's not the end of the video. Well, it is the end of the video. Oh shit, Popeyes. It's the end of this video. I'm gonna finish the rest. I'm gonna make a new video on the exhaust and when everything's done. But this is gonna be something for me to put out on the channel because the boy's been trying to make some moves behind the scenes. So appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Show your boy some love, and we out.